you're gonna... Okay.
Running around like a chicken with its head cut off today. Just a random sporadic day. Today's actually gonna be a short video. We're not really doing anything. We're just setting up some stuff, getting some stuff prepared for the next phase of stuff. I need a haircut because boy is my hair looking crazy. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying some time in the garage. And like I said, nothing big today. We have a couple tools to set up downstairs and a bunch of little stuff with the powder coating area, and then I have been obviously hiding in the garage because it's warm and I'm getting to use these heaters, but outside we have some stuff to set up there for the big truck. So instead of rambling, jumping right into it today. Usual real quick though, thank you to everybody who watched last video. That was a really good video for us. Thanks to everybody subscribing, all the new subscribers here. You guys are awesome too. Welcome to the channel of a guy who doesn't know what he's doing. And with that, let's not know what we're doing.
A few moments later.
$1,000, go! Oh, yeah, it.
Gotta catch up on my rice from Yada as I'm putting this thing together, and yes, I did just build a ghetto tarp garage for the K30. I'm sick and tired of rain stopping me. Like right now, I was in the middle, it wasn't raining at all. It sprinkled very, very slightly, and then you can hear it on the tarp now, it's starting to rain. This is going to be amazing. Hang a light from up there, which will be directly over this. I have this set up high enough that the hood can open all the way, but I closed the hood to get the tarp up. And what's wrong with this picture? Gotta figure out how to open my hood now because that's definitely closed and latched, and yeah, I didn't want to work on that at this exact moment. Anyways, I got some stuff to clean up. I'm moving all this intercooler piping and all this junk because I'm just trying to be more productive. I had no space to weld. Now I have tons of space and all my stuff where I can get to it. I had bald back tires. Now I have good back tires, which I need to throw on Monday or something like that. I'm not sure. Lots of little stuff is making, I don't know, hopefully the channel productive and work better and run better. It's just starting to rain harder and harder and harder. But digging through all the parts, I got all the, oh, I don't need this now. I got all the intercooler piping for the Duramax ready, these boots, which I'm gonna go through and check, and I might just change them. I don't know. The blue goes with the truck, so if I can clean them up and they're not ripped, they get used. I may powder coat. I may just polish. I'm not quite sure. I was gonna redo it in a bunch of this stuff, but this stuff sucks. This stuff is way better, so. Right now it's just clean work, clean work. And while we're doing all that, I guess since I'm gonna have to figure out how to open the hood now, oh boy, that's gonna suck. I'm gonna check the battery that I've been getting ready for wifey's truck. That thing says it's charging. Oh, almost done, I think. So, oh boy. Next on the list of things to do, parts washer. Why parts washer? Because oh, those are gross. So yeah, let's what the where should just crappy B-roll featured only here on Average Joe Builds. What the hell happened to my hair? My hair got all flattened up. Getting rained on, realizing I just put this thing in a dark corner, which kind of sucks, so I had to throw a light in it for now. But now I'll flip this off. This combined with that, combined with this, combined with that, combined with everything is making for some actual really nice, really clean stuff. Pretty stoked on how this battery tray came out, especially compared to my other battery tray. And that timing cover is coming out finito. Starting to see a trend and a habit here. Everything is cleaner and better than it used to be. Still figuring out a lot of stuff with the blast cabinet and odds and ends everywhere, but now that we have some progress going on, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw a few things together. Get a couple more odds and ends figured out, and yeah, get some progress made on Wifey's truck, get some progress made on Big Blue, but I have to figure out how to open the hood on things. So, nothing big, short, sweet, to the point today of, look, we got tools, we got stuff put together. I'm gonna go ahead and keep cleaning and sweeping and just organizing everything. It's a Monday. I mean, that's what Mondays are for. More coffee, more whiskey in my coffee. Just having some fun, getting some progress done. The average Joe build style, lazy, slow. Okay, let's see if you're gonna. So, you can see my patience for this one. Not the same as the other one. Finn's in there making some noise, dogs are barking, but yeah, I just chopped this one in half. Those bugger welds up there are impossible to get to, and I can actually access, oh, that one would have taken, yeah. See, let's see if it's gonna focus. You see what I'm dealing with? They booger welded the crap out of the top of the bracket because it was a long bed to a short bed conversion. So now that it's a short bed, two of the bolts didn't line up for the gas tank. So instead of just drilling the bolt holes, they welded them, which would have been fine if they would have welded a bracket or something. I'm gonna move all this around, go die, and we'll be right back. You helping? Well, he plays with an electric fan. Two things. If you're gonna move gas tanks, make sure they're empty. Yeah, those two, like, listen to this. Bone dry empty. Oh boy, someone forgot to run that one out of diesel and oh, mistakes were made. I could barely pick that thing up. But with that, we're gonna probably cut the video there. This was supposed to be up yesterday, but obviously 50 years of dealing with some gas tanks, and whoever you are, for welding these brackets to the top, your mom's a hoe, man. I swear. But with that, yeah, we're gonna end it here. We'll let you guys go. Throw a like or a comment down. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. But we're out of here. I'm gonna get in here with the sun and do some hangout time. So, Average Joe Builds, out. You ever lock your hood down and then realize that you would have made, oh, can't see it in the dark. You would have made MacGyver proud. How did I even, did that work? Ugh.